Have you ever tried adding a picture in Microsoft Word on your phone and suddenly everything feels confusing? No insert button, random menus, and you're like, why is this harder than it should be? Don't worry, you're not alone. All right, let me show you the easiest way to add images in Microsoft Word on mobile. First, open Microsoft Word and either create a new document or open one you already have. Now look at the little triangle button on the screen. Yeah, that one. Tap it to show the full menu. By default, you'll be in the Home menu. From here, switch it to the Insert menu. Next, tap Pictures. You'll see two options: Photos if you want to add an image from your gallery, or Camera if you want to take a photo right away. Choose the image you want, and yes, you can select more than one photo at the same time. After that, you can crop, rotate, apply filters, or even reorder the images if needed. Once everything looks good, just tap Finish. Boom! Your images are now added. From here, you can freely resize them, move them around, and adjust the layout however you like. So yeah, if you ever feel stuck adding pictures in Word on your phone and think, why is this so complicated? Now you know it's actually super easy once you know where to tap.